Hello, Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to close a loophole. To close a loophole is to end a technicality in a law or set of rules which exempts some people from following it. Let me give you some examples. The government closed some loopholes in the tax code which had previously benefited the wealthy. Many drivers are upset because the government plans to close the loophole which had allowed employees to purchase company cars at discounted prices. To close a loophole is today's idiom. It means to end a technicality in a law or set of rules which exempts some people from following it. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. A link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.